Hey guys, it's Cassie. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're a seasoned subscriber. Today I'm going to be talking about the must-have designer sneakers for women 2020. The only shoes you need to know about to make sure that you are just rocking the heat on your feet this year. Ooh, bars. Am I a rapper? Maybe. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie. I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I pack videos on Wednesdays and Fridays, sometimes Mondays. So if you like luxury fashion, then you're probably gonna like it here on this channel. So head down there, subscribe, turn on the bell, all of that business. Become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Guys, are you ready? Let's go. So here we are in 2020, it's a new year, there are new styles, okay, to take into account. Now, I will say, aside from the fact that the dad shoe is very much alive and well, I will say in general though, the sneaker trends of this year are a lot more toned down, a little bit more simple, easier to style. It's the first pair I'm going to be talking about are a pair that maybe I own, and these are the Chanel, I guess they're calling them the Sport Trail sneakers. I don't know, they're sneakers from the Cruise collection. I got them in all black. They are available in all white. Did a whole video on these if you want more in-depth information. But this is a prime example of the kind of vibe that we are seeing now, okay? We are sleek, clean, one color. Again, those like subtle CC details, just like gold CCs, just like, love that detail for her. I love these shoes. Also, it helps that these are incredibly comfortable, but they go with everything, okay? They also do this style with cutouts on the side that I feel is more of a spring summer, you know, for when you want air flowing to your feet. Okay, so the second pair of sneakers I'm going to be talking about are by a brand called Koyo. They are a New York-based brand, and they gifted me these sneakers, but also this part of the video is sponsored, so shout out to Koyo for being a real one. Now, you know I don't do very many paid sponsorships on my channel because I'm extremely picky. Okay, you know me, I only recommend premium pieces. So when Koyo reached out, I was like, hello. I am obsessed. If you want fresh, clean, okay? And let me tell you, these have been worn, okay? That was awful to see. But I just needed you to know that these have been worn a lot, okay? I was living my best life in these in New York, okay? And these still look in pristine condition. Everything is handcrafted in Italy. Incredible quality leather. Actually, the factories that these are made in are factories used by some of the brands that we know and love on this channel, okay? Love these. The style of the high top is very slim, which I like because high tops can be very kind of bulky and really not help the look, but these are really bringing the look up a couple notches, okay? I'm a huge fan. These are so easy to style. They go with everything. I personally love them with a monochrome look, like wearing all black with just a that all white on the ankle. Wow, transcendent, truly. So I would highly recommend Koyo. One thing that I do want to mention is that they do come up big, especially in women's. I'm not so sure about men's, but I'm usually a 39 in everything, and I had to get a 38 in these, so I went a full size down. They're just like incredible quality, sleek, they look put together. They're such a brand as well that just do day to night like that, okay? So like I could wear these with jeans and a t-shirt, or I could wear these with, I don't know, like a tailored trouser, a black turtleneck and a black blazer and be like, I'm here for business, you know? So definitely take a look at Koyo. I would highly recommend the Primo, and all of the details will be below. They do like low tops and loads of other styles, but you know, I'm a high top girl at heart. The Versace, a chain reaction sneaker. You know I love her, you know I'm a fan. Now, these are the cross trainer sneakers, and these are basically a lower key style, but you still got all the oomph and the statementiness of the designs, okay? So I particularly love this Baroque one in the black and the gold Baroque. Again, just imagine her in the spring summer with a denim short. Imagine her in the spring summer with a black tailored short and a white shirt, and just like killing it with these Versace Baroque sneakers, you know? So many ways you can work this, but she's definitely a toned down version of the chain reaction. Okay, so the next pair of sneakers are by Louis Vuitton, and this is the Time Out sneaker. So this sneaker has been around for a while, especially in a kind of an all white. They kind of have this kind of this thing happening on the sole. I don't know how to describe that. It's got things happening, okay? She is a classic platform kind of white sneaker base, but I love the fact that this comes in a number of kind of interesting colorways, especially if you want, I want a white kind of classic looking sneaker, easy to wear, but I want just like a little something happening, but not a completely different color on the sneaker, then definitely go for these. They do like a pink with the massive LV on the side, a blue with an LV on the side. Gucci, as we know, their Ace sneaker has taken the sneaker world by storm. Not necessarily the sneaker world by storm, but just kind of everyone's world by storm. Everyone and their mother has a pair of the Gucci Ace sneakers, okay, including myself. But I will say that mine are crystals, they're like a little bit different, but okay, fine, we're all basic, whatever. So they have kind of toned these down even further, which, let's be honest, they weren't exactly the most like over the top shoe to begin with. And they have kind of perforated, so they are now completely all white with a perforated detailing on the side with the GGs and all of that. So if you are looking to really tone a mother down, but you still want a designer sneaker that's still going to be like a subtle flex, maybe even something that you could wear to work. Kicking things up a notch, going back to the dad trainer, listen, the Balenciaga Triple S, you either love them or you hate them. I am no longer too horrified by them. I would just still not buy them just because they're just not my style, but I see people out here rocking them, so do you. I will say that they have come out with a number of new colorways that I'm finding, dare I say, a tiny bit of a moment, possibly even a little bit delicious. I feel the need to just bring a couple to your attention. The black with the slime green neon little bit in the middle there. I'm not gonna lie to you, I kind of love, okay? I love that color combination. The other one they're doing is an all white with a kind of aqua turquoisey blue. And once again, I'm here for the colorway, I'm loving it. So if you're going to buy a pair of Balenciaga Triple S's, then I would highly recommend these. These are the Dior Technical Knit Walk and Dior sneakers, okay? Questionable name, I feel like they need to rethink it, but they are basically the classic kind of simple lace-up, low-top, really inoffensive looking sneaker, but they've made them out of, you know, the Balenciagas, the one that looks like socks kind of material, so they're like a slip-on vibe, and I have seen these in the oblique print. Highly suggest to be looked into if this is your kind of sneaker style of choice. Okay, so the last ones are kind of a mix of, you want to take it low-key, but also you're a little bit extra as hell and you need to mesh that vibe, you know? And this is where I would recommend these Muumuu platform sneakers, which have crystals in the back, okay? So she's like business at the front. She's like, oh, nice, cute, simple, white, they do come in other colours, platform sneaker. But what's that at the back? Oh yes. Oh yes, queen. Did you really think I was going to keep things that simple? Like, chunky ass, massive crystals in the back there. Just like as you're walking away, just glittering, catching the sun, gently blinding those around you. Why the hell not, you know? Let me know which of these are your favourites. Let me know what you think of the Koyo sneakers. I would love to hear your thoughts. Guys, I'm going to link to another video here in case you haven't seen it and you're not quite finished with me for today. Guys, have an amazing morning, afternoon or evening wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.